Hello everyone, this is Jack. Of course, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to show you how we Chinese people type the characters on the laptop. I've got a laptop here, and you can see the keyboard. There are English letters and numbers. We don't have any. We don't have any characters except these two. Chinese, English. Okay, first I type some information in English here. I'm going to find some information about the President of the US, Trump, in English. Just a second. You can see. What about Chinese? So we have to click this button, and then it's in Chinese function. We have pinyin, right? We can put T lang LANG PU. So Trump's Chinese name is here, 1, and when we click 1, it's out. Let's go and check it. Wow, you see. So Chinese Trump is 特朗普. So it has collection with the Trump's YouTube channel. It's amazing. You can see I typed Chinese 特朗普 in Chinese, Trump in Chinese, but Trump's YouTube channel is here. This is amazing. Well, guys, now you've got some rough ideas about how we Chinese people enter the characters here. Yeah, we just press this button and then it's into the Chinese function. And then we use pinyin here, type it. Well, guys, if you like this video, please give me a like. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.